do the SEO for Excel, VBA Help, and YC. So when I search this, I get this site. I get this site, and I get this site. We get three links. We need to make sure that we have a phone number, although we have a number here. We want to make sure that we have my profile and Nehal's profile and Dr. Vora's profile here, and a nice write-up that we provide 24/7 help. We can visit your office in NYC and those kind of stuff. The same thing we have to do here. We have the address here, so that's good. We have these old links here, that's good. We need to add everybody's profile here, and we need to change this number. All these are wrong numbers lying here, so we have to change these numbers. And likewise, we have to change this number. Here the number is correct. So we need to make sure that for Excel VBA help, if somebody write Excel help NYC, we need to make sure that whichever page shows on the top. Here we don't have any help for Excel help NYC in the first page. We have the LinkedIn stuff on the second page. And we have nothing on the third page. So for this we don't have anything. Excel VBA support NYC. Again, this page comes on the top. Our LinkedIn page comes on the top. We should make sure that it is nice. And overall, we need to make sure that these pages have the right content. On this LinkedIn page, I have tried to put my number here, but we need to add a few posts here. So Excel VBA 7 days on-site online NYC, and I posted it. So likewise, we have to make sure that we post it and we keep ourselves on track, because there we might get some more clients on Excel. This is also our website, so we need to make sure that all of our website have, again we are missing the name of the consultant, and that we provide 7 days help. We are also available on the weekend, so we need to add this on all the stuff.